Haka kenta jonga jingbu jingkeli haka arpuk ndai terek unailar araja rapsau. Haka sngi ka pasau jonga Dorbar Senrai jonga Ïing Dorbar thau an. Haka jingkeli ka belawan ra doba Matthew Beyond Star Kurba MLA ka UDP na Mawphlang constituency ka longru ka jingbeteng men pensngo jongki MLA hakmat ka sorkar halor ka jingsniyo ki Surok Hapoh ki constituency ba per. Ka jingkeli ka bau MLA Mawphlang uanra ka de lor ka jingko atip ka jong u ki Surok na ka PMGSY RIDF but state scheme haka constituency jong u. Naga jingdon ki jingkeli ki bladab banbu lupa hakmat menteri katanat pulri road subadairu sembut menteri rangba ka jelau ba presun tensong. Kilami iru Kiwei ki jingkeli bala benrap lang ru dau MLA ka mau korbat ba Renington lingdo tongkar bodon haka sorkar ban keli ka sorkar bat banbu ka jingkerpat ban pendap ka Surok na Mawphlang sha Weiloi ka blak ta ba ya ka lek kawan jong ki pat ba. Haba jubab ya kani na Liang ba preston uloong pa yamenta ka sorkar kadang penkre ka estimate pat kumta maria dap ikani anxiety ka kam banchna bat ban pendap ka Surok ka balong ubud lo. Kiwei ki MLA ki blai shimbenta ki kentop yo MLA ka nongkrem constituency na ka VPP ba adan bila basoi maj badu MLA ka nong thumai na ka AITC ba Charles Pungrup.
Mr. Speaker, sir, reply to question 61A. Sir, there are 4 number of projects that are in the pipeline in Mawphlang constituency. The details are as follows. 1. PMGSY 3, 2 projects. 2. RIDF scheme mill, 3 state scheme, 2 projects. B. Sir, 1. Thanh Ro to Saumat to Lingdok Hanblang. 2. 02 to Maungap Mau Karshiying PMGSY 3. 3. Improvement and rehabilitation of Mawphlang Kat Road and Mawphlang Balat Road. Wa Pamtia to Weiloi, additional works. 4. Rehabilitation including construction of approach road to the Sacred Groves Mawphlang. C. Sir, the sanction by both the Government of India and the state government will be accorded during the current financial year 2024-25, sir.
Mr. Matthew, your supplementary question, please.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir. And thank you to the Teaching Minister in charge duty for the reply. The Speaker, sir, farmers constitute around 70% of the population in the state. However, the road condition in the villages are so bad that they cannot bring their produce to the market. May I suggest the government to also seek funding for construction of rural roads other than construction of highways and state highways. My next question, sir. In the reply to the question B, number 2, I'm not understanding the meaning of T02 to Mawap Maharshie. It is not clear, sir, this answer. And number 3, with regard to the road from the Mawphlang Kat Road, Mawphlang Balat Road, Wa Ampamtia to Weiloi. Sir, is there any plan to construct footpath along these roads, especially in the market area? Sir.
Mr. Speaker, sir, may I request the honourable member through you, sir, to repeat the question at least one by one, then I can reply accordingly, sir.
Sir, sorry, sir. Answer the question number 2, sir. May I get a question on this, sir? T02 to Mawap Maharshie.
Sir, yeah, T02 to Mau Karshie. In fact, this is the original nomenclature which we already proposed and submitted to the Government of India. Therefore, it is also reflected here, T02. But I think the honourable member from Mawphlang, being the local MLA, he knows well, and I'm very sure that the road does not go outside this no man's glacier.
Thank you, sir. The next question, sir. To reply number B3, is there any plan to construct footpath along this road, sir, especially in the market area in Synshar, as well in the villages of Liang area? Sir.
Yes, sir. This estimate includes some portion of footpath wherever necessary, and the engineers, the STOs, has already prepared the estimate accordingly for that, sir.
Thank you, sir. The next question, sir. Sir, I would like to inform the House that there's so much congestion in the Mawa market area. May I know from the Deputy Chief Minister, please, whether is there any plan to widen the existing road from near the Senghasi Hall of Marbisu to up to Mawa Police Station? Because there is a 16 road, it's very small. This will help for those travelers going towards Mawphlang, Mawgarwat, because especially in the market day, which happens twice in a week, there is a traffic jam in that area. This will help those travelers.
Sir, yes, I've had the concern of the honourable member from Mawphlang. It's also the ongoing concern of every members of this August House as far as widening the road is concerned, especially in few portions, which is very important. Let me just inform the honourable member. Sir, we have just completed the phase 1 of Mawphlang up to Weiloi, and we converted into the intermediate lane. Yes, the portion mentioned by the honourable member, I personally feel it is very, very valid. But the question here is, are we able to get the land or not? Because as far as the state scheme is concerned, sir, there is no provision of land acquisition. And if land is available, we don't have much problem to widen the road, sir. But as I've said earlier, sir, the only challenges for the WD department is whenever we wanted to widen the road, the problem is the landowners are against it. So this is the challenges that we have. So I would like to discuss maybe in my office with the honourable member, in case if he can make an assurance that the land is available, then we will take up for the estimate and also.
Thank you, Mr. GC, Mr. Please. Again, coming to that road, it is an existing road, sir. At least if it can be repaired, the road has gone very bad. No one wants to drive through that road, sir. If not, you cannot widen it, but still, the road can be repaired so that small vehicle can pass through. My next question, sir. May I know from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, please, how many kilometers of roads has the ministry allocated for our states, especially through World Bank, PMGSY, JICA, ADB, and NDB?
Sir, the supplementary question is very vast, and quite a number of them I don't have the record with me right now, because the specific question is relating to the Mawphlang constituency. So therefore, I don't have. Of course, as far as the PMGSY is concerned, sir, I think yesterday I have already replied. The target for the state of Meghalaya is 1,250 kilometers. And then again, the phase 2 of MITP, again, for the road sector, we will be able to get at least 2,000 crores. And the other heads, I don't have the record with me, so for that I require notice.
Your one last question.
That's all, sir. Thank you for your honest reply, sir. I wish you mercy. Thank you.
I'm excited to put question, supplementary question, specifically on this road that has been answered by our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister. That is on Mawphlang, Balat to Weiloi, sir. Mawphlang Balat Road, which is Mawphlang up to Weiloi, which it's very, very important and it serves the people from 4 constituency using this route every day, serving the entire east and west and entire west and east. Sir, I'm excited when Deputy Chief Minister, he said the road from Mawphlang to Weiloi completed, slipping his mouth, saying completed, even though not yet completed, sir, it's still under construction as of now. Sir, I want to have a specific assurance from the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister, if he can assure us, can assure the House, that this particular stretch of walk up to Weiloi may be completed in this walking season, sir. We will all be very, very happy if our Honorable Deputy Chief Minister can assure the House that this particular walk from Mawphlang to Weiloi can be completed within this walking season till next year, March or April, sir, the walking season. That's I'm very concerned, sir.
Sir, in fact, my reply is very clear. If we go back to my original reply, 61B, para 3, I've said that improvement and rehabilitation of Mawphlang Kat Road and Mawphlang Balat Road wa umpamtia to Weiloi additional work, and now the estimate is being processed, and once the estimate is once the sanction is accorded, the work will again resume and will make sure that the work is completed at the earliest possible. Because see, I do agree, sir, this road is the lifeline of people that side, right from Ranikor side, Balat side, then you come back to Mawphlang side, and also not only that, even Ranikor side, that also is very, very important. So let me assure the honourable members and also the House that once the sanction is accorded, we'll make sure that this ongoing construction of road from Mawphlang up to Weiloi be completed at the earliest.
Yes, please.
So may I know from the Honourable Minister whether there is any provision for shoulder and pavement in the specification of road construction? Because, sir, I find that this is one of the reasons that our roads could not withstand even one monsoon, which is why we never see that the roads construction lasted for 3 to 4 years in Meghalaya. So may I know whether there is any provision for shoulders and pavement in the specification of road construction?
Sir, yes. In fact, we have already instructed all the concerned sub-divisional officers and also the divisional officers to make sure when you prepare the estimate, it should not be only for carpeting, but it should also include drainage, pavement, shoulder should also be included in the estimate. So whatever estimate is sent to the government, sir, accordingly we try our best to give sanction, and the construction should also be done according to the estimates.
So why I'm asking this question, because I've traveled across the state and especially in my constituency. I don't see that when they construct the road, they also have construction shoulder and pavement, which is why most of the road which have been constructed very recently are now being eroded, especially on the edge of the road. So may I get the assurance from the Minister to instruct the department to ensure that all these roads are having proper shoulder and pavement?
Yes, sir, point noted.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kishab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bat akabathau bha kam kta ikadur jingki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha pendon kam daki marba madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.